Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, you are very much welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and be part of this beautiful family. And if you're a returning subby, you are very much welcome. And please, you know what time it is, so please say it with me, because before you guys get into the comment section and call me out for not saying it, let's all say it together. Baby! welcome guys. In today's video ndiniphathele a hair review. This is my way of coming back to you guys in this year, and I'm like, you know what, let's start them with a good quality hair review, where lace is a beautiful, it's an HD quality hair and everything. So I brought you guys this wig install and this wig review. This hair is from Yolissa Hair and it's absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed with their lace because this is an HD lace, and listen, when they said HD, they meant HD. I've met so many companies when they say HD, but actually the lace is just transparent. So this is an HD lace, and I did this install myself. So I want you guys to watch me install this beautiful wig and hear more about this wig as I go through with you guys on the processes. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. Mwah. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, come let's install this Yolissa wig together. They were kind enough to send me this stunning unit. We're going to be using a Narco Glam bar lace glue. It's waterproof, humid proof. It gives you extra hold. Okay, you don't worry about taking a shower or sweating in here. And that is me just taking the wig out of the box. And you know Yolissa will always give goodies when they are sending you a unit. And they did. They never disappoint. Okay, this is not my first time working with this company, so they gave me a wig cap, which is HD, because also the wig is HD. They gave me a sleeping scarf. They gave me lashes, and as I was saying, you guys, the lace is HD, and you're gonna see that just in a minute. And they gave me an edge comb for my edges, just in case I decide to do one. And I really prefer using that type of brush when you're going to do your edges. And this is their stunning unit, guys. This hair holds curl very well. If I tell you this hair has been sitting with me for almost 20 days, look at the knots, look at the plucking, look at the bleaching. Your knots are bleached, your knots are plugged. It has an elastic band, it matches your skin tone. It's literally just glue down and go. No work done here, no work needed here, pretty much, I promise you. So I am about to install this wig, and I'm like, you know what, I want to show you also another goodie. They also gave me their elastic band. I didn't see that, but yeah, they gave me their elastic band, and I'm pretty much going to use that a lot. So you guys know I live for those, especially when you're trying to sleep with your wig on. Make sure you have elastic band on. You don't have to tie it tight, but tight enough so it doesn't give you a headache, but it also holds your lace. So I'm only using one layer when it comes to this glue. This glue, guys, is quick drying. You don't have to wait 25 years for this glue to dry clear. And I'm also just gonna speed the process with my fan, because anybody got time, but I promise you it's quick drying and it holds your lace. So if you're placing your lace, make sure you are sure about the position, because this glue will hold it tightly that you have to start from all over again and use your lace remover. Okay, so make sure you know what you're doing here. So as you can see, it's already clearing out, and I can see that I'm ready to actually put that lace on now. I'm getting excited. Yes, look at that. Look at that. Look at that frontal, guys. It's HD, I did mention. Look at how it hugs my skin, how instantly it sits on top of that glue and melts with my scalp. Look at that. It's giving exactly what it's supposed to give. The plucking, whoever was plucking this wig knows what they're doing. This is just perfect. I promise you, I didn't do any work here. it's exactly how you said, and this is exactly how I'm working on it. I'm not doing anything much or anything less. I'm just pretty much now removing like the excess lace that I have so that it can fit my forehead, because it was quite big for me, but it's working out. I promise it's working out. Already it's glued down. Like I said, the glue dries very quickly, holds your wig like a hug. So yeah, you don't have to worry about it lifting when you're sweating whatsoever. So yeah, and now I'm working in sections. You guys know this jinx already. I love cutting my lace in sections because it helps me do a better job, because I also do not like cutting it all at once, because I feel like I kind of lose how my forehead is supposed to be. Okay, and now I'm using the Naco Glam Bar Lace Melting Spray. It's a quick drying spray. It's an ultra hold. You can just use the spray as well to install a wig without the other glue. Okay, and I'm making a mess of things here, but you guys know any mess I make, I can fix. And I'm using my fan just to dry that down. Please do not put your melting spray and not dry it and quickly just put your melting band. You are gonna have that white residue if you do that. So make sure you do dry your melting spray a bit and then apply your elastic band on top, okay? Do not apply it while your lace is still wet from the melting spray. It's going to create a white residue with any melting spray, not just the NGB one. Okay, so now I am cleaning up the mess I made using a rubbing alcohol. If you don't have rubbing alcohol, you can always use a sanitizer to do this. Sanitizer works so well as well, but I'm using the rubbing alcohol, and now I'm melting down that lace with the Naco Glam Bar elastic band, and then I'm layering it up with the Yolissa elastic band. Okay, because I do love layering my lace, and this is a new trick I learned from TikTok, and it works. I promise you it works. It's painful because this thing will hold a blood circulation. You realize getting a bit of a headache or something, but it's worth it. You will see how beautifully melted that lace is. Look at that. Look at that. Melted to the gods. I literally don't have to do much work anymore. I can just put on the bronzer or whatever powder you have. Please do not put any liquid products on your lace. Please use the powder ones. I'm currently using my bronzer to melt it, match it with my skin tone, and this is how it looks, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I'm obsessed. My face says it all, okay? Anyways, that is me, beat and all. And now we're gonna go in with my wax stick. I'm just gonna put this wax sticks for flyaways and kind of like moisturize my hair. What I love about this wax sticks as well is that you do not have to use a hot product afterwards. They do not give you that waxy fill, but they do give you that shiny fill on your wig, and also while taming any flyaways that you might have. As you can see, I'm not doing much on this wig, guys. I promise you, none is happening here. I'm just installing it and running my fingers through the curls, and I am loving how the curls are looking. I like them messy, and I am truly obsessed with this wig, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The link is in my description box if you want to buy the wig, or you can check my socials as well. The links will be there, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on my next videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, but where's the lace? Thank you. Bye. Say